Hello, it's Alan at Buckland Junction, carrying on my travels. Had a wonderful sleep here at Frontignan. Yeah, it's been really relaxing. Moving on, got to go and find some shopping and find my next parking spot. Here comes Posty. There he goes. So that's Alan moving on, going west from here on. Philip and Vera, I seem to have lost my heart at your place. My heart badge, it was on my t-shirt. Hopefully it's in your washing machine somewhere. Thanks for everything, and catch up with you in a minute. Well, I've moved on and now on the side of the river, having some munchies. Look at that. Isn't that magic? I've been trying to get on the beach, but everywhere I go, I've got weight limit bars. 2.5 meters, and I'm about 325. So I'm just stopped by the river for some lunch, and well, I'll pick you up in a minute. Just listening to some goings on and drilling and hammering in the boatyard over there. But look what I've just spotted. Come on, zoom, come on camera, let's go. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Look at that. Proper little sailing ship there, look. I gather it's their sea school or something like that. Ah, very good. So, this is the river L'Apostrophe Herald, or L'Ero, as I think they say. It's probably pretty bad, and well, I'm going to move on now. I've had my dinner. Look at that cup, Vera. So, onwards and upwards, here we go. On and out. Not the best of days today. I left a really nice parking spot, had an hour on the beach. Tried to find somewhere else to go, but everywhere you go, height barriers, keep out. So I'm stuck on the side of the road tonight, as you can see. As you can see. But all we'll have to do, see what we find tomorrow. Alan out, but I have got a nice bottle of red wine, that'll keep me quiet. Alan out, bye. The Belgian brutes, look at it. Look at the size of it. Here we go up to the next level. Still my favourite locomotive, that, I think. What else we got? Anything? Where's Hymek? Come on. I can hear a lot of noise. Where are you, baby? Here she goes. Oh, there's too much to keep your eyes on. And we've had nothing on these rails for a while. Should we pull some levers and send them up over the top? Let's give it a go. Oh, good timing, good timing. Still running. He's throwing coal on at the moment. Look at the colour of the smoke. Here we come. Clan line, here we come. I've been waiting for this. We're going to chase her into Dover and then down onto Shakespeare Beach to see her go through Shakespeare Tunnel.
You reckon that'd be a good viewpoint?
Yeah, I reckon the Shakespeare would be fantastic.
Got plenty of time to get there because it's 20 minutes from Dover before it sets out.
Okay. Look at the smoke!
It is moving, it's dead right.
Sorry about the camera work. Here comes Clan line. Start waving then. We should get a blast on the whistle. That's it, she's hit the summit. I can't see anything but smoke. There's a few people on the other bridge as well. Whoa! No diesel on the back. No.
So you reckon Shakespeare?
There we go again. I'm not going to zoom in or anything this time. This is another travelling. Wow. Wow. Well, I'm sorry about the travel video going a bit wrong, down to height barriers and things. I'll just show you my little feast that I've got tonight. A roadside feast, van style. It's Alan in the van. I think I'm going to go to Perry-Ector-Mere tomorrow. I think I can park up right alongside the water's edge, so we'll give that a go tomorrow. So Alan going slowly for the Spanish border. Thanks for watching, thanks for following, take care. Alan out.